Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play as Black on the Chess.com app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Chess app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the play button. This will take you to the game setup screen. On the game setup screen, look for the choose color option. By default, it might be set to random. Tap it and you will see three choices: white, black, random. Tap black. Now every new game you start will place you with the black pieces and your opponent will move first with white. Tap play to start the game. You will see that your pieces are black and set up at the top of the screen. White moves first and then it's your turn. If you leave it on random, the app will sometimes give you white and sometimes black, but if you always want black, make sure you pick it before starting. And that's it. Now you know how to play as Black on Chess.com app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.